All right, y'all, we just got to Odessa. See what my bro done got. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And most definitely, man, you have to follow me on all the social media platforms. I got the links in the description below. And then go ahead and smash that notification bell, y'all. It's right next to the subscribe button. So we kind of get straight to the action today, y'all. I almost actually forgot to even record. So here we are. We are already at Odessa, y'all. So we at Odessa Auto Auction. People that are new to the channel, man, this is a dealer-only auto auction. And we have just won, I think, 5 or 6 cars. So I'm waiting on my brother to pull up. We about to go in here, about to figure out what cars we about to move. I got an appointment set up for 2 o'clock. So we just going to probably end up splitting our days up between, probably grab 3 cars today, 3 cars tomorrow. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. We're going to figure out the logistics, but we're trying to get to it. Also, as you can see, it's snow on the ground, more snow, y'all. So it's a Minnesota snow. It's a little slippery out here, but we getting to it, man. So let's go. All right, we in here, y'all. Hopefully y'all can hear me through this wind and through this mask. So we inside the gates. Got a lot of cars out here. I think this is the Buick. So this one I didn't personally buy. Tremaine bought it. If you don't know who Tremaine is, you need to go watch the vlogs, y'all. So I'm pulling it up here. It's just kind of how we gonna work today, because we have short time. So let me double check this thing. Yep, that's it. Start this thing up, see what it looked like. Pretty cool, a little clean. I think this one got high miles. Let's see how many miles is on here, y'all. See what's on here. Woo, it's cold, y'all. I forgot where the trip. I ain't bought one of these in a minute, y'all. 209 on it. No lights on the dash, though. Still clean. I wonder who he bought this from. Let me get my, woo, show y'all what this look like. This is what we got to deal with, y'all, on a day-to-day basis. I wish I would have saw that Escalade yesterday. This is what we deal with, y'all. Snow. Go ahead and wipe this out, because I ain't got no. And could you comment below? Let me know if y'all can live out here in the snow, in the trenches. All right, let's get it. Where's my losing stuff? I lost my jump pack, y'all. I don't know what I just did with it. Oh, there it is. Shit. So my cars, I don't think I'm gonna pick up mine today, y'all. I think I'm just gonna help them grab theirs. But y'all know when I win, they win, and vice versa. So, snap. I don't know what he was thinking. The linkage was messed up. Can't really see either. Ah, come on, y'all. Window ain't rolling down. Get the snow off of here so I can see. Whew. There we go. Let's get out here. Okay, y'all. So I'm riding. We moving. We grooving. My brother's in the CTS right there, man. That joint's all-wheel drive. It's a 08. It's got some suspension issues and needs a wheel bearing. So we're dropping that off to the mechanic. We're en route right now to get it there. And then I'm in my van, y'all, because guess what? The Buick Lucerne that Tremaine got, that thing overheated, man. So it overheated, and that's why I'm here. I didn't get y'all no footage, man, because I was on the side of the road. And I sure was not going to risk my life to get no footage. Like, y'all know I rock with y'all, Major Nation, but we gotta stay safe, man. Chuck gotta stay safe. So, anyways, man, I brought that back to Odessa, and now we gotta figure that out on the back end. Not even having Tremaine come out right now. Like, obviously we gotta adapt to whatever's going on. So we're gonna drop this off. Now I'm running a little bit late, so I gotta get to my 2 o'clock appointment. So I might even have my brother hop in the Uber, because that's just kind of what's going on. I can't be late for my appointment. It's too big, it's too important. So let's get to it. I will see y'all in a second in the next destination, and hopefully the rest of the day goes great and we don't have any more issues, man. But I do hope that I'm not even thinking, y'all. So the car, when it was overheating, Tremaine's Buick Lucerne, it was overheating, and then I saw the steam coming out of the side of the engine, which leads me to believe that it might just need a water pump, which is dope. I hope it's just a water pump, and that'll be a cheap fix for him, and then so we'll be straight. So I'm just hoping that for him, because I don't want none of my team to make any losses. I don't even like when they tell me that something, went wrong that they didn't see, because for me, I know a lot of dealers on here, y'all cringe when y'all lose money. I mean, people in general cringe when they lose money. Like, I don't care if, like I told y'all a million times before in the beginning stages of me popping on YouTube, is I don't care if, obviously I care, but I don't care as much as if I didn't put the work in. So if I didn't go out to the auction, I didn't drive the car, and I took a chance and I bid on the car, and then I come out and then the motor's blown or it's tapping or whatever, and I didn't hear the car running before, I don't care. But when I come out, I drive, I take 3-4 hours out of my day to go out there and actually do the legwork, and then I miss something so key, so crucial to the success of the business, the operation, then that is when I'm like, the stomach just like, man, I just hate losing money, man. It's like, reminds me of going to the casino and losing money. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like that. But anyways, man, enough of all that talking. Let's get to the money, man. Let's try to get some blue faces today. Let me get to this appointment, man. I'll see y'all in a second. Meeting done, y'all. So now we're on the way back to Odessa, and we're gonna grab some more cars. Let's get it.
I'm up. We up. I'm up.
All right, y'all, we just got to Odessa. See what my bro done got, man. See what he got. Got an 04 Cadillac DeVille. See if it's open. Oh yeah, it's open. Yeah, he gonna obviously clean it up like we always do. So look, this is how some of these cars come, y'all. Messed up. You know what I mean? And it's your job. It's how you want to build your brand. You want to sell it like it is. You want to just vacuum it out, or you want to make this, nice, reliable, beautiful car, man. But we about to hop on this road. We gotta go grab the Impala, because that thing needs an alignment. That's what Chris told me. So we're gonna go swap that out, and then bring that to Brian's, and then we done. Well, no, we not, because we're gonna come back and grab one of my cars, I guess. Tremaine couldn't help us for now, so that's fine. So we are gonna do what we can together. I'm gonna trail him, and that's another thing too, y'all. So word of advice, man, when you're picking up cars, trail the cars that are being picked up, because you don't know, on your ride, you don't know what's going to happen. You just saw that Tremaine's car overheated, and other things can happen, knock on wood. We've been very fortunate, and we've been doing what we have to do to, obviously come out and check them before we hop on the highway. But man, you just want to make sure that whoever that's in front of you is safe, and if you need to pull over and help them, that you there. So just giving y'all a little bit words of advice and all that. Y'all know how I do, man. But let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all. I am in the Impala, getting ready to drop this to Brian, because it most definitely needs an alignment. So that is the plan. As y'all can see, the steering wheel, this is how the steering wheel is, y'all. That's supposed to be straight, not state. So I'm gonna drop that real quick, and then I completely forgot to tell Chris about the heat. He must have not, I don't know why he didn't realize that it didn't have heat when he test drove the car, but yeah, so this car needs some heat. So I gotta either have Brian fix it, or I'm gonna bring it back to Chris. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But I dropped the ball, y'all. I didn't let him know about it, so I'm not gonna be mad about it. But we already swapped that car out. That's gonna be real quick, and then I'll just bring this one back. We gotta just kind of, sometimes stuff like this happens, man, and you just gotta kind of keep rolling with the punches or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do, and then keep on moving and grooving, y'all. So let's get back over here to Brian's, and then let's go from there. But I know it is freezing in this joint. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. See that. Man, y'all, the people down south, man, y'all lucky, man. Lucky. Okay, so the heat is working. Maybe I was tripping. I don't know. I'm gonna have Brian double check it though, because I thought the heat, like, it's literally hot now, y'all. So it's weird. Moving and grooving, man. So I'm in the Equinox right now. Me and my bro, he over here. He in the Ford Focus right now, y'all, and we are going to take an Uber back, man. So we're gonna take this out to the office, both of these cars, and we're gonna hop in the Uber and then finish that last car of mine's off tomorrow, man. I should have actually showed y'all these cars when I was actually at Odessa, but man, we just trying to move real quick. So it's real cold out here, and I left my camera at Odessa in the van, man. So I'm using my hand and my phone. So when you guys, if you guys think about doing YouTube, then whatever footage, however this looks, I'm using the iPhone XR right now, and let me know what the footage look like, y'all. But let's get on the road. We already on the road. Let's get to the money. Let's get it. Right, y'all. So we are back at Odessa. I'm sorry I didn't get y'all any footage, but like I told y'all, I left my camera in this van, so I just had to get to it, man. So but tomorrow, man, we're gonna have to make a part 2, of course, and I'm gonna get you guys the footage because I still gotta come pick up the Chevy Impala that I got out here. I wasn't meaning to even tell y'all that, man. I was gonna leave it as a surprise, but picking up a Chevy Impala. I didn't tell you what year though, so that's gonna be a surprise, y'all. I will pick that up tomorrow, man, and then I'm probably going to end up having to help Tremaine get his Buick because this joint is beyond messed up, man. So, like I said, man, hopefully it's the water pump. We're going to have to get this thing towed out to the shop. And then that way we can get that fixed and then we can move on. So I'm about to lock this joint up so that way he ain't got to worry about it. And then we're going to be straight, man. So. But yeah, man, I just want to end this video on a positive note. I know I don't really, sometimes I throw out positive messages, so I'm gonna try to do this at least like I told y'all once a week. Just, man, as far as like this, I'm getting a lot of business inquiries, right, about needing advice. So matter of fact, y'all, let me just go back a little bit. All right, so everybody that is asking me for consultation, so that means that if you are inboxing me going forward, y'all, no shots taken, all right? If you are inboxing me going forward and you are asking me about how to get a car dealer's license, any type of advice, y'all, it's too many people in my inbox, y'all. So once it gets to this point, then everybody has to pay, y'all. I've given out a lot of advice to a lot of people, and do me a favor, if I've done that for you, y'all, comment below so that way people know that I'm not playing around, that I actually literally have given out free advice to hundreds of people in my inbox. Like, let me not say hundreds of people, but let's just say at least like 50 people. Comment below and then let people know, like, hey, that I've done it. Just say, yes, I've done it. That way people know what I'm saying. I mean, that I'm telling the truth. But going forward, y'all, consultation. So if you want to book me for 30 minutes to an hour, then you have to email me. And you email me, I got the link in the description below. I think it says, I think it is chuck.collabnow@gmail.com. That's what it is. So chuck.collabnow@gmail.com. That's where you're going to be able to hit me up, so I know that you want to do a consultation. Feel free to DM me on Instagram. You know, I got all the links to everything in the description below, and then y'all can get the advice. Now, everybody knows. If you don't know, I'm breaking it down for you. So I'm in Minnesota. I used to be a Georgia car dealer. So I've had a Georgia car lot when I resided in Georgia, and then I kept it a little while I was in Minnesota as well. I have a Minnesota car dealership now, and that's what I'm rocking with now. So I got rid of Georgia. I'm no longer there, but I'm pretty well versed with finding, getting, of course, you know, a car dealer's license is pretty easy to me. But to other people, it's not easy. So if that's you, or if you need advice on anything, then for now on, we have to do consultation, because there's too many people, y'all. Y'all see me running around here like a chicken with his head cut off. Like I've given you free game on the video. So outside of that, I'm just saying that, and I'm over explaining myself because I don't want you guys to think that I am doing this like just to make money or whatever. I'm just saying like my time is worth money, y'all. I don't even charge that much, y'all. I'm not going to put out like what the amount is now because over time it will have to increase because like I told you, my goal in business is always to elevate and keep on growing. Okay, so that's that. All right, but on a positive note, y'all, like I said, I've been getting a lot of inquiries, man. Start. You know what I'm saying? Like real talk, y'all have to start. Like start doing the research. Like, yeah, you're on here and you watch the video and you're learning, right? That's the beginning, but you need to put it into action. Like you can't just study and then don't put it into action. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to become car dealers, you have to start. You know, that's like any type of business that you do is like starting. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only thing I got for you guys today, man. And I always tell y'all, man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and I appreciate y'all for just being along the journey with me and watching me grow, man, because the YouTube channel is growing. That's getting better. Obviously we got some small snags in the business that's been happening, over the course of since I actually started YouTube. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Like it's always gonna be ups and downs. But at the end of the day, like y'all know me, I'm gonna push through and I'm gonna keep on going. So just like we did this YouTube, I started it. As soon as I made that video, I said I'm going all in. So I'm going all in on everything, and I'm trying to do my best. Like I told y'all before, I'm getting ready to actually roll out a course, going back to the whole consultation, all that. I'm getting ready to roll out a course eventually. I got to get that taken care of. But this is my big primary thing, y'all. My big primary thing is I'm a car dealer, right? So entrepreneur, yes, but I'm a car dealer and I have a car business that I need to make successful. So I need to do that first, and then I can roll out to YouTube, and then I can make YouTube better for you guys. And then that way you guys don't even necessarily have to, hit me up on Instagram, and y'all already have everything ready. I have a course ready, a webinar, whatever the case may be, and then we can go ahead and make it happen. So anyways, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I hope that was beneficial to some of you guys, and I hope that I clarified a lot of things for you guys. But I'm out. See you tomorrow. Peace.